Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to install and use Claude Code in VS Code. First, open Visual Studio Code. On the left side, click the extensions icon. In the search bar, type Claude Code. From the results, find Claude Code and make sure it's the official extension. Click Install and wait for the installation to finish. Once installed, you'll see the Claude Code icon appear in VS Code. Click the icon and you'll be prompted to sign in. After authorizing your account, return to VS Code. You can now start using Claude Code directly from the Claude Code panel. If you'd also like to use Claude Code from the VS Code terminal, click Terminal and then select New Terminal. In the terminal, run the Claude Code installation command shown on screen. Wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, type Claude and press Enter. And that's it. That's how to install and use Claude Code in VS Code in 2026. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.